Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to make unlimited prompt yourself with just 1 minute. You do not need to look for prompt anywhere else. Let's see how to make unlimited prompt. Go to Gemini app. Image. Select the type of image do you want to create. Tap on done. Write this text. Please create promote for this photo. Tap on next. Wait for few seconds. Promo pages for this photo. Thanks for watching full video. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel.